I never planned to come back here, but evidently I have a following, so people are listening to what I'm saying. I'm a teacher of many, many years, 30 years in Wake County, and I wear this T-shirt because I was a teacher of the year at one point. I need to address two things I didn't plan to say. I need to address, and I'm not prepared for this, but when I think oftentimes when we talk about book banning, people think we're taking knowledge away. I think most people, when they're talking about book banning, they're talking about banning pornography that children are seeing, like the lady was just talking about. Things that are not, should not be seeing. I think that's the book banning they're talking about. Book banning isn't the term that should be used. Okay, well, let me get on to what I was going to be talking about. Since talking the last time I was here, I've been taking time to speak to colleagues that are still in the field, they're still in the schools teaching, and asking them things like, what would it look, what differences would I see if I came back to school now? What would be different? And I kept hearing the same things over and over again. It was an obvious pattern. The biggest thing seemed to be lack of discipline. There's the children, there's people, I had even teacher assistants saying to me, if I discipline a child in the cafeteria for throwing food and all that, I have no backup for disciplining the child. And the other thing is the administration does not do anything. If you have unruly children in your classroom, you cannot teach them. They need to be listening to you, like you are. If you were all turned to each other and started talking, and I just try to talk over you, you're not internalizing what I'm saying. But discipline over and over again. The other thing, these are a few comments that some teachers have made to me. When they have to teach something that is uncomfortable to them, they ignore it. They don't do it. An example would be CRT. They find that they don't want to instill any more hate and division amongst the children in their room, and they just ignore these things. Oh boy, really? Okay, that went fast. I found out today, just sitting there, do you know how much you pay for each child in Wake County Public Schools? $11,846 a child, and you still need more money? That is insane. And another thing I'd like to just bring up, because I got off track, mental health days. What are they? Mental health days. The kids stay home from school? And no academic instruction. Wow, I don't get it. Don't get it.
Our next speaker is